What if I told you a cryptocurrency trading under a dollar is being predicted to reach $45.53? Sounds like a moonshot, right? But that's exactly what's stirring up excitement and a whole lot of speculation around the Pi network. In this episode of Inside Sphere, we are diving into the most recent Pi price forecasts, the major updates from the project team, and the realistic path Pi might take to hit or miss that magical number. Let's get into it. As of today, Pi network is currently trading at around 64 cents. That's less than a dollar. And if you're doing the math, Pi would need to jump more than 7,000% to hit that $45 mark. And yet millions of users continue to mine Pi every single day, holding on, waiting for the mainnet to fully launch and for major exchanges to list the token. But right now, Pi is still not available on top-tier centralized exchanges. It's primarily traded peer-to-peer, making its market value hard to verify. Still, the community is strong and belief in its potential hasn't faded. So what do the forecasts say? So crypto analysts have issued predictions for Pi throughout 2025 based on expected exchange listings and mainnet developments. Here's a quick summary. June estimates ranged from around 58 cents to $1.82. By mid-year, Pi could move into $1.20 to $1.50 range. August might see a how 5 to 210, and by the end of the year, we are looking at the projection around 275 to 280. Not astronomical, but not bad for a project still building its foundation. Of course, these are just predictions. They depend on lots of ifs. If the mainnet successfully launches, if major platforms list Pi, if they're clear use for the token, and if broader market conditions cooperate. Now let's ask the big question: what exactly would it take for Pi to reach $45.53? It's not impossible, but it would require several major milestones: a fully decentralized and operational mainnet, listing on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, widespread use cases, things like real-world payments, mobile apps, retail integrations, token scarcity mechanisms to manage inflation, and most importantly, massive demand, both from users and institutional investors. Without these, the $45 price stays out of reach. With them, you would see something special. But even then, it would still require a market cap of approaching $1 trillion, depending on circulating supply. That's Ethereum territory. Yes, despite the odds, some sources remain wildly optimistic. The Economic Times have projected Pi could reach $500, even $1,000 by 2030. Meanwhile, digital coin price estimates $100 by the late 2025, with 168 possible by 2027. Still, many of these predictions are based more on hope than on actual market performance. Is a difference between potential and proven growth. Until we see Pi used, traded, and adopted at scale, the most responsible outlook is cautious optimism. So will Pi network ever reach $45? Maybe, but not soon. And not without serious upgrades to its utility, listings, and token economics. If you're mining Pi now, keep doing. Stay engaged. Watch the updates closely. But don't make financial decisions based purely on hype or speculative headlines. Pi's story is still unfolding, and we will right here covering it. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe the Insight Sphere, and turn on the notification so you don't miss our next crypto deep dive. What do you think? Will Pi hit $45.53? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and stay crypto.